In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust spacing in Google Docs, a simple yet effective way to make your documents look clean and professional. Whether you're preparing a report, an essay, or just formatting your personal projects, managing the spacing of your text can significantly enhance readability and overall presentation. So let's get started on this straightforward journey to mastering text spacing in Google Docs. First, make sure you open the document you want to edit. If you haven't already done so, open your Google Docs and select the document you wish to format. Once you have your document ready, the next step is to select the paragraph or text chunk where you want to adjust the spacing. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. By doing this, we ensure that any changes we make will apply specifically to the selected text, giving us more control over formatting. Now, with your text selected, head to the top menu bar. There you should find an option labeled Format. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here you'll see several formatting tools, but for our purposes today, you'll need to find and hover over the line and paragraph spacing option. This option allows us to modify the spacing settings of our selected text, opening up formatting opportunities tailored to our needs. As you hover over line and paragraph spacing, you'll notice several options for line spacing ratios such as single 1.15, 1.5, and double spacing. For our purposes, let's choose the 1.15 option. This setting is a good middle ground that adds a bit of space between lines, making your text easier to read without taking up too much room on the page. It's a practical choice for many types of documents. After adjusting the line spacing, you might want to add space before and after your paragraphs for additional clarity and structure. Go back to the line and paragraph spacing menu. This time, look for the options labeled Add Space Before Paragraph and Add Space After Paragraph. Click on these options one at a time. Adding space before and after paragraphs is particularly useful when you want your document to breathe, giving each paragraph its own visual distinction and making it pop on the page. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully adjusted the spacing in your Google Docs document. Remember, effective spacing can make a huge difference in how your document is perceived, transforming a simple text wall into a neatly organized piece of writing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more of these helpful tips to make your Google Docs experience even more productive. Happy writing!